No! Hindi ako papayag na pakasalan mo yung babaeng yan. Never in my life am I ever gonna let you marry her.
What are you talking about?
Stay away from her! Hindi mo siya kilala!
Bakit kilala mo siya?
Yes, Dad! Best friend ko yan! Well, she used to be. It's Betsy!
Betsy? Nagkakamali ka. This is Lisa. Sino si Betsy?
Lisa? You? Ikaw yung caregiver na kinukwento ni Mami sa akin?
Yes, siya yung caregiver ng mami mo.
Oh my God, it's a scam! Her name's not Lisa, it's Betsy! My gold-digging, user-friendly ex-best friend!
Is this true? Anong kalokohan to?